Oh, here comes a car.
BB Adventures.
Okay.
Hey everybody, BB Adventures here. We are at park number 38. This is going to be Orff Park.
Woo!
This is Fort Wayne's smallest park at 0.02 acres. Just shy of 900 square feet.
So cute.
And it is also 4th of July. So we're going to go, we got some stuff for 4th of July in Orff Park. You have to stick around and see how much fun we're going to have with 4th of July.
Okay.
Spoiler alert.
Park number 38. You guys ready?
Woo!
Here we go. Woo! You get honks, Cam. They like your sign. You got honked at.
Another one.
Here you go. Nothing. Let's see. It was a good job though. Yeah. Let's go swimming.
Hey, guys, there's a leopard on here.
There's a message.
Leopard on here.
Yeah, it says Legacy Park. Do you know what that means? This park is 100 years old. He honked at you.
Yeah, I
Here comes another car. Here comes another car.
Other side, other way. Oh, you're gonna hold that one up? Okay.
Here comes another one. We gotta wave. We gotta wave. Count it. We gotta look. Karen, let me see your sign. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Oh, we got another one coming. Alright, stay on the grass.
What do you got?
Be brave.
A B rock, and it says be brave. Can I see it? Let's see. Awesome, awesome. Okay, let's put it somewhere, hide it somewhere in this park.
Maybe on the statue.
Maybe. Okay, we are all done here at Orff Park. Woo! Fort Wayne's smallest park, probably our shortest video.
But maybe our funnest. I don't know.
Camden, did you have fun?
And the statue was a park.
Yeah.
The statue was a park. Camden, what was your favorite part?
Suspense is killing me.
Was it the signs, hiding the rock, or the statue, or yep, that's it.
Getting honks.
Part.
The honks.
Oh,
honks.
Everything.
Everything about this little park. Daddy?
Getting honks from people and then them waving and seeing us.
Yeah, that was fun. My favorite part was the statue.
It's a nice statue. Old Aqueduct Club.
I wish there was a sign
Google
for the
it.
park, because I'm not sure if people that went by knew that the park's name was Orff. They may not have got it, but they did honk and wave. And now maybe they know
Yeah.
that the park's name is Orff.
Yeah.
They
Maybe
probably
they'll
just thought-
Google it.
Maybe. Maybe they just thought it was a statue.
There's a
It
bus
doesn't-
stop there.
It doesn't say Orff anywhere over there. So, we really should
We're
get a
at the right
sign.
park.
Now we can
It is a legacy park, and there's a legacy sign, so that... Thanks so much for joining us, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.
And
Ding!
ding! Oh, where was I?
Hit the bell for notifications.
Ding!
There you are. All right, thanks again, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye. Go.
be fun, be cool, be the end. Hey, I see you. Baby elevator.
Stairs.